news coming in at this hour. More damning statements by Swati Maliwal. Says plot to leak my personal photos to defame me. Maliwal claims AAP is in fact hatching a plot to badmouth her. Accuses bid to assassinate her character. Maliwal says whoever speaks against me will be axed. AAP netas given task to bring me down. She says biggest AAP leaders are scared of the accused is what Swati Maliwal has said. Amit Bhardwaj has got more details on that. A very big claim has been made saying that there are some photos that is going to be leaked and there is an attempt to assassinate her character. Amit, give us more details.
Right, Sneha, Swati Maliwal has been constantly making this claim that attempts are being made to assassinate her character, and this started with the very fact when the two videos were leaked from the CM residence of the May 13th incident. But this angry response by Swati Maliwal, which has just come to the fore, is actually, because of a video which is doing rounds on the social media platforms, and that video is from her US trip. The entire trip that triggered controversy, because of which, in a way, Swati Maliwal was sidelined within the party, because there were accusations that when the party was going through the biggest crisis, Swati Maliwal was not. Now, Swati Maliwal is claiming that several of the Aam Aadmi Party leaders had been assigned specific jobs. Somebody had been given a job to tweet out against Swati, someone to hold press conference, and she's making even bigger claim right now that certain party leaders have been given duty of contacting the overseas Aam Aadmi Party volunteers to access the video footage from her US trip in order to, assassinate her character. And she's also training guns at AAP. She's saying that, it is very shocking and disappointing to see Child and Women Development Minister of the National Capital training guns at former women colleagues from the party. And so these are big claims. Now we'll have to see as to how Aam Aadmi Party responds and whether the Aam Aadmi Party chooses to respond or not. But this angry response from Swati Maliwal is actually coming to the fore because of the videos from her US trip getting leaked on social media platforms. Back to you.
Moment, Amit, getting us up to speed with those details as far as this back and forth between the Aam Aadmi Party and Swati Maliwal is concerned. Probe is intensifying in the Swati Maliwal assault case. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's aide Vibhav Kumar, arrested for allegedly assaulting AAP MP Swati Maliwal, has been brought back from Mumbai, where he was taken for retrieval of data from his formatted iPhone. As per police, Vibhav's mobile phone was seized following his arrest, but it was found to have been formatted. Cops claim that Vibhav transferred the data to some person or some other device in Mumbai before formatting it. Apart from recording statements of all the staff and security officials present in the CM's residence, all CCTV DVRs have been sent for forensic examination. Meanwhile, Delhi Lieutenant Governor has hit out at the Delhi Chief Minister, calling him evasive and dodgy. And the LG also went on to say that the Chief Minister's silence in the Swati Maliwal assault case revealed his stance on women's safety.
हम पिछले कई दिनों से लगातार इस बात को सार्वजनिक मंचों पर रख रहे हैं कि जो स्वाति मालीवाल जी का झूठा आरोप है, ये भारतीय जनता पार्टी का एक षड्यंत्र है, एक कॉन्स्पिरेसी है। स्वाति मालीवाल जी सिर्फ उसका चेहरा है। और आज जब भारतीय जनता पार्टी एलजी साहब को मैदान में उतार रही है, तो वो हमारे बयान को साबित कर देता है, ये इस बात को प्रूव कर देता है कि ये पूरा स्वाति मालीवाल जी का झूठा आरोप एक भारतीय जनता पार्टी की साजिश है।
BJP netas are gunning for Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal over his silence on the Maliwal assault row. Let's take a listen.
शीश महल तैयार करा लिया और उस शीश महल में एक बहन के ऊपर जुल्म ढाया गया, लात घूसों से मारा गया। और मैंने देखा उनके जिस निजी सचिव ने उस बहन के ऊपर लात घूसे चलाए हैं, मारे हैं, बिना लोक लाज के न तो परिवार चल सकता है, बिना लोक लाज के न समाज चल सकता है, न बिना लोक लाज के लोकतंत्र चल सकता है। मेरे बहन भाई,
केजरीवाल जी के जीवन के दो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं। पहला, उनका दोहरा चरित्र, और दोहरा चरित्र के साथ साथ जो वो उन्होंने किया उसके बिल्कुल विपरीत किया, और दूसरा कि वो हमेशा डाइवर्ट करते हैं इश्यूज को। अब आप देखिए, उन्होंने कहा कि मैं राजनीति में नहीं आऊंगा, वो राजनीति में आए। मैं राजनीतिक दल नहीं बनाऊंगा, राजनीतिक दल बनाया। मैं चुनाव नहीं लड़ूंगा, चुनाव लड़े। फिर उसके बाद उन्होंने कहा कांग्रेस से समझौता नहीं करूंगा, समझौता किया। कहा मैं महिलाओं का सम्मान करूंगा। उनके घर में उनके राज्यसभा की सदस्य के साथ दुर्व्यवहार होता है और वो कंप्लीट 4 डेज चुप रहते हैं।